Welcome to Module 1.2. Before we can fully understand green IT, it's important to explore the knowledge that already exists on the subject. In this module, we will dive into key publications, frameworks, and studies that have shaped the way we think about green IT today. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of how existing literature informs green IT strategies and why staying up to date with research is crucial for making informed decisions in this rapidly evolving field. Let's explore the foundation that supports green IT best practices and learn how we can build on it for a more sustainable future. Technology has become an essential part of modern business operations, but it comes at a cost. IT is one of the largest contributors to an organization's environmental footprint. The energy required to power data centers, manufacture hardware, and run IT infrastructure leaves a significant carbon footprint, making sustainability a growing concern. This is where green IT comes in. It focuses on designing and implementing sustainable strategies to minimize the environmental impact of technology. These strategies span across data centers, hardware, software, and operational processes, ensuring that IT resources are used efficiently while reducing waste. But green IT is not just about protecting the environment, it's also a smart business decision. By adopting sustainable IT practices, organizations can lower energy consumption, cut operational costs, and improve efficiency. This means businesses can reduce their carbon emissions while also benefiting from long-term financial savings. Modern IT operations come with a set of serious environmental challenges, many of which are often overlooked. The vast energy consumption of data centers, corporate IT infrastructure, and personal devices contributes to significant carbon emissions, accelerating global warming. The demand for electricity continues to grow, making IT one of the largest energy consumers in many industries. Beyond energy, electronic waste is a growing crisis. Discarded hardware, such as outdated computers, smartphones, and servers, often ends up in landfills or is improperly recycled, releasing toxic substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium into the environment. These pollutants contaminate soil and water, posing risks to both ecosystems and human health. IT also has a major impact on water resources. From manufacturing electronic components to cooling data centers, the industry consumes vast amounts of water, contributing to shortages and pollution. In regions where water is already scarce, this demand adds to the environmental strain. Then there's the extraction of raw materials, a process that fuels deforestation, soil erosion, and biodiversity loss. Mining for essential components like lithium, cobalt, and rare earth metals disrupts fragile ecosystems, often in regions already facing environmental degradation. These challenges highlight the urgent need for sustainable IT practices. By addressing these issues head-on, organizations can reduce their environmental footprint and play a role in creating a more sustainable digital future. The journey towards sustainable IT began in 1992 when the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency introduced the Energy Star program. This initiative marked a turning point in the industry, encouraging companies to design energy-efficient products and adopt responsible IT practices. It was the first major step in recognizing the environmental impact of technology and taking action to reduce it. 15 years later, in 2007, the Green Grid introduced a new way to measure energy efficiency in data centers. Known as power usage effectiveness, this metric helped organizations track how efficiently they were using energy, leading to major improvements in data center operations. Companies now had a clear benchmark to strive for, making energy efficiency a measurable goal rather than just a concept. Since then, businesses worldwide have made steady progress. Today, more than 57% of companies have adopted sustainable IT practices, incorporating greener technologies and processes into their daily operations. While this is a promising shift, the journey is far from over. The demand for computing power continues to grow, and with it, the challenges of energy consumption and electronic waste. The question now is how to keep pushing forward. What more can businesses, governments, and individuals do to build on this progress and create an even more sustainable future for IT? That's exactly what we'll explore in this course. More businesses than ever are making efforts to integrate renewable energy, energy efficient technologies, and smarter power management into their IT operations. These advancements are driving sustainability forward, helping organizations reduce their carbon footprint while improving efficiency. However, despite these positive steps, the field of IT sustainability is still relatively new. Research and data on the long term impact of green IT remain limited, making it challenging to establish best practices and industry wide benchmarks. As a result, many companies are navigating this transition with limited guidance. Policymakers also face a difficult task. They must balance innovation with regulation, ensuring that sustainability efforts do not slow technological progress. This challenge has led to minimal oversight in the IT sector's environmental impact, leaving companies with little external pressure to adopt greener practices. Without a clear regulatory framework, many businesses are left without defined environmental standards to follow. While voluntary sustainability initiatives are growing, stronger policies and structured guidelines are needed to ensure that green IT becomes a widespread and lasting commitment, rather than just an emerging trend. The future of sustainable IT depends on continued innovation, informed policies, and collective responsibility. By working together, businesses, researchers, and regulators can build a more structured and impactful approach to green IT. The adoption of green IT is not just a business decision. It is also shaped by government policies and financial incentives. Around the world, different regions have taken varying approaches to promoting sustainability in IT. Some governments provide subsidies and tax incentives to encourage companies to invest in energy efficient technologies, while others enforce strict environmental regulations to limit carbon emissions and e waste. But creating a truly sustainable future requires more than just government action. Businesses play a crucial role in reducing the environmental impact of technology by adopting eco friendly practices, optimizing IT operations, and investing in renewable energy solutions. At the same time, individuals also have a responsibility to make informed choices, from using energy efficient devices to supporting companies that prioritize sustainability. When governments, businesses, and individuals work together, the impact is far greater. Every small action, whether it's designing greener data centers, minimizing electronic waste, or advocating for stronger environmental policies, moves us closer to a healthier, more sustainable planet. The choices made today will define the future for generations to come. By embracing green IT, organizations are not just improving efficiency, they are taking an active role in the global fight against climate change. And with this, we end Module 1.2. See you in the next one.